Hello, boys and girls. Mr. Festa here. Hope you're doing great. Happy Thursday or happy Friday whenever you're watching this. We have just finished doing some slideshows on Earth's landforms. We talked about how the Earth's landforms change slowly with weathering and erosion. And just recently, we talked about how Earth's landforms can change quickly and sometimes violently, like with an earthquake or a flood or a volcano. So what I'm going to do for you now is I'm going to do a mini volcano experiment. If you are going to do this at home, you absolutely must have a parent supervising you, okay? Great. Good job. So here's what I have. I have a clear mountain. No, it's not a plastic water bottle. It's a mountain. And I'm putting it in a plastic dish on top of a bowl so you can see it. And nothing is going to happen until I add some ingredients. Now, we're not going to make an actual volcano where magma comes out of the earth. We're going to make a chemical reaction inside the water bottle, which is going to cause whatever in the bottle to come pouring out of the top of the bottle, just like a volcano does. In a real volcano, you would have hot, melted liquid rock that's in the center of the earth with a lot of pressure on it. Like think about squeezing a balloon. If you squeeze it too hard, it'll pop. Well, sometimes that pressure gets too much and that liquid rock is looking for a place to move, and it finds these little cracks or fissures, and it comes up through openings in the earth called a vent, and that's how we get a volcano. It's not just a liquid rock that comes out. It's ash and dust and everything else. And that's how mountains are made. Because when the magma comes out, it becomes lava and rolls down the side and cools and becomes a rock. Well, over time, that rock keeps growing on top of each other and mountains are formed, like the Hawaiian Islands. So let's get started, okay? Wish me luck. It's a video. It's live TV. We'll see how it goes, okay? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I got some baking powder at the store. I'm going to get a measuring spoon. Sometimes I get a funnel, but I can't find a funnel in my house. And I'm going to carefully pour some baking powder into my mountain, okay? Into my mountain. All right. Let's go for it, okay? I'm spilling some of it on the sides, but I'm getting most of it inside of my bottle, I think. I'm gonna put some more in. This is 4, because I'm missing some. Okay, and while I'm doing this, how's everything going? We did some online learning. We still were a team. It's proud of you. All the people working on the computer and turning in work. Okay, we're getting near the end now. It's going to be summertime, and I hope we have a great summer because we deserve one. But when I see you in the fall, and when Mrs. Tig and Mr. Zuri see our team in the fall, we're going to come find you and give you a big high five because we miss seeing you, but we're glad that we're staying connected, right? Right. Okay, baking powder into my mountain. Now, just for fun, I got some red food coloring. You got to be careful with food coloring. It stains your fingers. It's hard to get out. I'm going to put a couple drops of red food coloring if I have any left. If not, I'm skipping that step. And yeah, I'm skipping that step. Let's just pretend that I put the red food coloring in there. Don't tell anybody, okay? Thanks. Now, this is not water that I'm going to pour inside here. This is vinegar. This is vinegar, okay? And this is what's going to cause a chemical reaction with the sodium bicarbonate, which is in the baking powder, okay? So when I pour the vinegar in, remember, we're trying to simulate or copy a volcano of the pouring out, okay? Let's see what happens. Here we go. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Oh! See that? How exciting is that? Let's put some more vinegar in there. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, here it comes, slow rising. And it's going to come out of the... And there's your lava. Your lava. Now, in real life, couldn't go near lava because you would get burned. And there, my friends, is how you could do a mini volcano experiment at home. You can watch this again, right? You can get a parent to help you, to supervise you, especially with the pouring of the baking soda. You saw how much I put in. I put in 4 teaspoons. 4 teaspoons. I had vinegar, and of course, I put my mountain inside this plastic dish because you don't want it to spill over, okay? If your parents allow you, drops of food coloring would make the lava that came out of the top would turn it red or yellow or orange, which is pretty cool, okay? So that basically, boys and girls, is the end of science. Thank you for participating. Give me a high five. Give me an elbow bump. Give me a fist bump. Peace. I'm so proud of you. Keep rising up, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.